Hi everyone, it's Julia with Socially Seasoned, and today I'm going to be talking to you about your business's cover photos on Facebook and LinkedIn. Whether you're using your Facebook and LinkedIn to promote your business or create a customer community, knowing how to make the most of your cover photo is very important. While your profile picture should remain consistent, your cover photo is something that you can have a little bit more fun with. Here are some ideas of how you can use your cover photo. One way you can use your business's cover photo is to inspire a purchase or highlight a product and service. When you show off your products or services in your cover photos, you're planting ideas with your customers and inspiring them to engage with you. Another way you can use your cover photo is to highlight an upcoming event. You want to add all of the important details like where they can get tickets and the dates of the event. The third way to use your cover photo is to create a call to action. So if you want your followers to visit your website, message you, follow you on other social media platforms, you can use that space to promote those things. Lastly, your header space is a great place to put a promo video that you've done for your business. Videos are very engaging and anyone that visits your page is likely to view it. When choosing a cover photo, you want to make sure that your image is optimized for the platform that you're using. You can do this by making sure that your image is the right size. You want to avoid a lot of text or clutter, and then you want to make sure that your logo and branding is on your image. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, you can message us or comment below. Don't forget to like our Instagram and Facebook pages, and as always, stay social.